Next question is from Lauren G. Lauren is interested in soliciting licensing and partners for her patent pending idea.
Perfect. So for those inventors that are fairly new to the process, they may not understand what licensing is. It's not a license. Basically, is permission. So you've heard the expression that driving is a privilege. It's not a right. It's permission to drive. So a license is when you give somebody permission to use your idea. So when you license it, and getting back to this is Jay Sorensen was the inventor of the cardboard sleeve. He licensed multiple companies to use his idea. He gave them permission to use his idea. And when you license, you can think of it as renting your idea to somebody else. He maintained ownership of the patent. He just gave them permission for a set period of time. It could be a year, 6 months, 2 years, 3 years. And for that time period, they used his idea and paid him a percentage of royalty payments. Now, Jay Sorensen made approximately $1 million a year for over 20 years off of this simple idea. So so Lauren, as far as wanting to solicit a license, you're thinking along the right terms. You definitely want to pursue that. We can go into later on how you can go about getting that license. A lot of times these companies want to see proof of demand. So if you haven't sold anything, it's a lot harder to get a license. So today you're able to go on, create an eBay store, go on Amazon, create a website, and you don't have to have huge numbers. Just have to have enough sales that it doesn't look like it's what they call friends and family sales. It has to be a high enough number, which generally is seen as about 200 people. The average person has about 200 contacts total. So if you start getting sales numbers above that, then they start looking at it as real sales, arm's length relationship, people that are buying because of the product, not because of the close relationship with the inventor. I mean, your mom's gonna buy anything that you invent, so that doesn't count. Your grandmother, your spouse, your kids, they wanna see proof of sales and demand beyond that.